11 years we've completed here, and this is the 6th edition of Groundwork. Every year we've produced some productions, and each year we keep on thinking, what do we do? And by God's grace, somebody or anybody gives us this idea of what we're going to do next. So here we are this year presenting Anant for you.
Last year was my first time, and at that time I think I didn't know most of the students, and it was difficult for me to connect in a way that how do I teach. But this year it was like I was in a very comfortable zone.
Since the first session, I feel like there's something special about here. It's not just, we don't just dance here, we express ourselves, we build confidence and we build connections.
For me, Groundwork is the best part of the whole year. एक महीना we just dance, we eat, we sleep, we come back here, we dance.
पहले मुझे contemporary बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था, and I used to run from it कि नहीं मुझे contemporary class नहीं करनी. But this time it is different, and I am loving the way I move, and I really want to improve it.
Dance was something I was very passionate about and didn't got much opportunity to experiment with my body, with how I can expand. So I decided to join Vibrations, and the whole experience was really, really amazing.
I feel like the trainers and choreographers here are really supportive of anything and everything. They will take your opinions about whatever steps you want to do. So it really makes me feel welcomed here.
This is the first time that I'm doing Groundwork, and the journey has been amazing. All these teachers add a different flavor altogether.
I love being in this studio, being in this space, being around these people.
Everyone's trying to push each of us to grow as much as we can and to give us our moment in the spotlight, which is very rare because usually it's just you have the best dancers in the front and then that's it.
Hello, my name is Ojas and I'm dancing here for 4 years. I'm very excited about the final Groundwork.
There was this beautiful feeling from so the day one of Groundwork, I went back home and I told my friends this is a feeling of completeness that I think was missing for past few months, and that's how Groundwork has been for me.
Vibrations में आके मेरा हर एक फॉर्म मतलब जितना भी मैंने यहाँ से सीखा है बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव हुआ है. मोस्टली कंटेम्प्रेरी. मुझे कभी नहीं लगा था कि मेरी बॉडी इतना भी मूव कर पाएगी. I was just here. Now I am there and there.
This was a great experience for me. All the choreographies and everything, all the faculty, how they pull the dance out of you for the non-dancers like me also. So it was all in all a great experience, and I'm having a great time, and everybody should do it. Even a non-dancer can do this. It is so good.
Being a mother, I'm really happy and blessed that I'm getting an opportunity to bring out my quality of work, which I had left years back. And we learn a lot, and there's no age limit to learn.
So it's been 10 years I am with Vibrations. पहले मैं सीखने आती थी, अब मैं सिखाती हूँ. So it's been a great journey, and Groundwork में बच्चों को सिखाना is it's a roller coaster ride, but बहुत मज़ा आता है because it's not just dancing with them. आप उनको concept सिखा रहे हो in a very funny way so that वो समझे Groundwork में जाके सिर्फ ये नहीं करना है, इससे ज़्यादा भी करना है.
Faculties, the visiting faculty is phenomenal. Even me working as an instructor, I wouldn't want to miss that for for anything. So it's just me going back as a student over there.
This is the first time I'm teaching as an instructor. उससे पहले I was always on the other side or even backstage. So I am pretty excited about my own production.
We have completed 11 years in this town, Vibrations, and Groundwork. This is our 6th version. This is the thing which we wait for whole year. कि इसमें कुछ करेंगे, कुछ अदरवाइज हमारा रेगुलर चीज़ है. भाई ये एक चीज़ है जो हम अपने लिए करते हैं.
सर ने मुझे स्टार्टिंग में बोला था कि इस बार तुझे मतलब सिखाना भी है बच्चों को, तो एक्साइटेड तो थी ही बट नर्वसनेस ज़्यादा थी कि मतलब कैसे होगा. कर पाऊँगी या नहीं कर पाऊँगी, बिकॉज जब हम परफॉर्म करते हैं तो तब एक अलग पर्सपेक्टिव होता है हमारा, सिर्फ खुद को लेकर कि हम अच्छा ठीक है सही कर रहे हैं गलत कर रहे हैं, लेकिन जब हम सिखाते हैं टीचर बनते हैं तो हमारा एक अलग पर्सपेक्टिव होता है। तब हम चाहते हैं कि हर टीचर चाहता है कि उसके जो स्टूडेंट है वो अच्छा करे।
So Cloud9 is here to display all their magic with the magic that is going to be displayed on the stage with the help of these amazing dancers.
So I think the entire Vibrations team and specifically Harshit, I would say, हम लोग ना professionals नहीं है, we are like a family. So Harshit and we go back a decade. I think the first show for Tulaz International School, the first founders was done by him. रात भर काम करा है, शो से एक दिन पहले मतलब दुनिया भर की चीज़ें हुई हैं. So I think I rely on this team when it comes to anything with dance. And it has been a beautiful, very close to my heart journey.
Of course, I cannot thank enough to all the parents and everybody who's been trusting us for all these 11 years. You've been fabulous. Parents, it's because of you that we are able, that's because you show that trust on us. We'll be, we are able to put up a show like that. I love to all the students who've been a part of this journey. You are amazing. We know we shout on you, we scold you, but we love you. Okay. Thank you for always trusting us and thank you for being there for the program. We'll see you next year and we hope we're going to bring something really special on the plate next year as well.